Welcome to Great Alpine Rio, and this is the brains behind the brand. Meet Amelia. How are you?
Good, yeah.
Yeah. And you got a bit of a strange thing for us today. What is it?
Yeah, this is the motorhome conversion,
Yeah,
and we're doing our main production is in Caravan. And,
yeah.
in yearly we do the 3-4 vans for our customers.
Okay.
The van conversion.
So if I've got a caravan, for example, or a vehicle like this, a bus such as this, and I want to retrofit it with new furniture, new appliances, all that, build something special, you guys can do that for me?
Yes,
Yeah.
our main icon is in we building custom builds. Our main product
Okay.
custom. This one also
So
done on the
this is this is a Toyota?
Toyota Coaster.
Okay, show us inside a little bit. Go on, let's go. Oh, this is huge. So that's the front. That's where I drive. So tell us what's going to happen here.
When we get the bus, it got the passenger seats in the whole van,
Yeah.
whole bus, and we off the whole seats, and now we're ready to go build the motorhome. Now we already start the flooring. This is the first step starting in this product.
And where's the kitchen? Will it have a bathroom, the bed? Explain to us.
This van's in the customer got their own layout.
Yeah.
You need a separate shower, separate toilet,
Yeah.
and kitchen also in driver side in the kitchen, and toilet and showers come this side. And a special thing is that this customer need the L-shaped launch in here.
And what about the bed? Explain to us how you...
The back of the van in the bed.
The
that's
bed.
a bed.
And did you have to do any structural work to this van, to this bus?
Yes, we doing in here within our production line. We can do all the in here, and once build the van, we have to go to we have to get the engineering certificate registered
Right.
the van.
I say there's an engineering certification that goes with this. Wow.
We got the engineer. He's not working in-house, but he's working.
He comes in and certifies the products. Wow. So, folks, if you need custom work done to your old van or to a bus such as this, come on down. We'll keep you posted on the build of this van and show you what the finished product looks like. What, 6 months, 3 months, 2 months?
Now we're planning with the 3 months time.
3 months time. Okay, let's see in 3 months. You'll see the finished product.